guys, I have some exciting news to share with you all. We just got this news this morning, so I'm super excited. There's a new challenge pack that's being released on December 27th, so perfect time for the new year. I know everyone has awesome New Year's goals of becoming healthy and fit and starting a new program, eating better, so it's perfect timing. Beachbody is launching the annual all-access Beachbody On Demand. And what that means is when you purchase this challenge pack for a whole year, so 12 months, you are going to get unlimited access to all of the programs that are on Beachbody On Demand. And I mean like the full programs. So you're going to get the full 21-day fix, which is 21 days. You're also getting the full PiYo, Size, Country Heat, any of the programs that are on there, you're getting access to all of them. You also have access to the nutrition guide that comes with that program, which is like totally the best part, because nutrition is a huge key in staying successful. So when you order this challenge pack, it comes with a 30-day supply of Shakeology, which obviously you know if you've been following my journey is a game changer. Without it, you'll see results, but I don't think you're going to see the results that you want. So when you purchase this program, it's $199. You get total access to the full programs that are on Beachbody On Demand. That's over 600 workouts. There's literally no excuse not to work out when you have 600 different options to choose from. So say you start with 21-day fix and then you finish that program. Instead of purchasing a new program like you used to have to do, or doing the challenge du jour, which was, a different workout every day from a different program, now you can start a whole new program from start to finish. So if you've always wanted to try PiYo or Size or do the Country Heat, it's all there. So when you purchase, you get that. You get access to a year-long on-demand workouts, all of them. You also get the nutrition plans that come with it. And you get 30 days of Shakeology. And then the best part is you get, I know I keep saying the best part because the whole thing is awesome, you get the portion fix containers, which are key, obviously. It's going to teach you portion size, which is, a lot of people end up looking at labels and realizing they've been eating 4 serving sizes. So the portion control containers are definitely key. You also get added to our accountability group online, which is key to success. Without these groups, there's no one there watching you, telling you, like if you join and you post every day, I got my workout in, I got my shake in, I'm eating awesome, you're posting pictures, whatever, and then we don't hear from you from 2 days, we obviously know that you're slacking off and I'm going to call you out. Whether it's a private message or in the group, or, I'm always there to help keep you motivated, make sure that you're on track, answer any question that you have. And I'm doing these programs right along with you, and so aren't a bunch of other people. So it's being released December 27th, and it's going to be on sale for a month. Actually, it's going to be on sale for 2 months. It's going to be on sale to February 27th. So perfect timing. Everybody should be joining with this option. If you're looking to start a new program, if you were going to join our January group, which starts January 9th, this is like the best program to join with, because you get the 30 days of Shakeology, and then you get to continue after the 21 days or the 60 days. Some of the programs are longer. It's really a no-brainer to me to get this program. And if you were going to join as a coach, your coach fee is waived, which is awesome if you join with this program. And if you were going to join as a coach, why wouldn't you get this program? Now you get to try every single one. So when someone comes to you and says, I'm looking for a low impact workout, what can I do? Or I'm looking for like super cardio, what workout can I do? You now can have the experience of doing all the programs. So that's the news. Annual all access Beachbody On Demand. If you already have Beachbody On Demand, you can upgrade to this. Just let me know and I'll show you how. So it's launched on the 27th, so you can't buy it yet. But the 27th is like a week away. So perfect timing for the new year. Perfect timing to join our January Health Bet Challenge, which if you join, you'll get paid to work out. All you have to do is log a workout and a shake in the app. 3 workouts a week, 5 shakes a week. And at the end, if you meet those qualifications, you get a check in the mail from Beachbody. How awesome is that? So let me know if you want to join. Let me know if you want to learn any more about this awesome new challenge pack that's being released. Like I said, it's $200. It's totally worth it. You get the shakes, you get the portion fix, you get all of the nutrition plans. This is seriously the best challenge pack, I think, that has been released this year. Also, one last thing, when you do order this pack, any new programs that are released in 2017 automatically get added and you get the new programs as well. So again, no brainer. All right, let me know, send me a message, comment below. If you follow me on Instagram at Swell Fitness or Facebook at Kim Venti, just send me a message or an email and I'll leave my email below in the comments so you can get in contact with me. All right, guys, I'm excited to get started this 2017. I already have a bunch of people signed up for the January Health Bet, and it's not too late. You have until January 2nd to join us. So stop waiting, stop procrastinating. Let's do this. Let's make 2017 your healthiest yet.